Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can fix cannot send message on TikTok. And that is because right now TikTok has a new policy. You have to be over 16. Either you should be 16 years old or older than that in order for you to go ahead and message anyone on TikTok. So if you can't message because your account is lower than your age, or basically if you messed up while putting in your age while making your account, then there is a simple fix to it, and that is going to be by reporting to TikTok. So what you do is simply tap on the me icon on the bottom right, and now go ahead and tap on the top right triple dot icon. Finally, once you have done that, you want to simply scroll down all the way until you see report a problem and tap on report a problem. And now what you want to do is tap on privacy settings are stricter right over here, and simply tap on still have problems. And over here you want to simply go ahead and tell them what happened. If your age is, let's just say your age is 18 and you put lower than 15 in your TikTok because normally people randomly also choose their birth date on applications. And if you do that, you want to simply go ahead and type that your age is this much and you mistakenly put in lower age. And I suggest you send a government ID, basically either your driver's license or stuff like that, to them so that they can confirm your age, and basically they will change it whenever you send it to them, and then you will be able to go ahead and message anyone on TikTok. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to make next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.